Can we start again? Sorry. The last week problem.
So what we saw last week was each of us have our own design, but we haven't bring it out and.
We haven't concluded the best design from ours. Okay. Can you explain your design? Huh? Will you come up with your own personal design?
Same, boss.
Same. Try to come up with different ideas. I said box and then you can come up with different ideas.
What is the design?
Huh?
Yeah.
Black.
Or based on what we have, we suggest right away.
Okay. My design is I'm gonna to use a circle box to carry because all oranges come with circles, so you can fit in all the oranges with lesser gap between them, so you can fit in like this, so you can fit a lot into one container. That's my idea using the round box, something like that. Okay. And last week Jin design is using a net. He used a net to carry all the around two bags to carry 100, each carry 100 oranges. So that's his idea. And then Xinhui idea is using a box.
A very typical box.
Very typical box we can see on the market. So now we have to proceed to design container. Okay, try to come out with as many design as possible. So now we have roughly 3 design. Okay, what should we proceed next?
Today actually I want to learn idea generation. Okay. So after this one I will show you what's the meaning idea generation. But to understand first the purpose of idea generation. So okay. So can you look at the paper? I give you the paper. Idea generation. So any solution? You've come up how many designs so far?
3.
Three designs.
Yeah.
So what's the difference of these 3 designs?
The shape.
The shape, okay.
The shape, the material.
The material. So can you look at this one, the form? Idea generation. So in divergent thinking, idea generation, find out many ideas to solve the problem by using brainstorming, analogy or cross fertilization. So this means you have to brainstorming means discuss and try to come up with many creative ideas. Whereas creative thinking, analogy is like try to use other, like the meaning and analogy. Do you know? Like compare. Like for example, you can use this one. Orange can imagine like other thing. How do you use a thing to fit into the container? Not just orange, you can use other thing that you have learned before. Okay. Co-fertilization is the thing from others fields of study. Like others field study you learned before, but you use it in this field of study. Okay. For physics, you can use it in mathematics or science. Okay. After that, create an organized list of ideas. You list up all the ideas, as many as possible. Okay. After that, find out the connection between the unknown and delta. What's the connection? As much connection as possible, as many connection as possible. Okay. In order to understand the idea. Okay, we may start now with this problem. So how many ideas do you come up?
Three ideas and then find out and this three ideas okay, so then create and organize list of ideas. Create and organize list of ideas means the idea we have using pen, using ball, using circular form.
Circular box.
So it's rectangle.
Find out the connection between the unknowns and data.
Between
Other unknowns.
Size.
the size of the
Shape.
shape.
Volume.
The data given was number of orange.
There is a lot of unknown.
Mass.
Maybe the box is shaped by man or machine. And the orange must stay in fresh condition or what this all happen, right? If you want to preserve the orange, you might add another layer of the polystyrene or paper, something like that. You have to protect the orange.
What are the unknowns that affect the most in designing the shape?
Most, I think it's the mass, the mass of the orange. The people can carry or not.
The connection between them. So we found out the mass and the weight of oranges.
Will affect the size of the box, how many we were able to carry, right? If the orange is much lesser weight or much lighter, we can carry more. Right? If it is heavy, we can carry maybe less, the container will be smaller.
So can I add something about brainstorming? The rules for brainstorming. First, quantity and not quality. That means the more the better. As many ideas as possible. All crazy ideas are accepted. So you just give quantity. Many ideas can be as many as come up from your minds. Number second, no discussion, evaluation and judgment until the end of the section. So you don't discuss your idea until you can discuss but you cannot evaluate. I mean no discussion means like you don't judge the idea until the end. Keep all your ideas coming. Suspend and postpone all your judgment. You cannot judge on your idea until the end. Give any idea. Probably this is impossible or impractical, any idea. Okay. Number third, no idea is the bad idea. Express yourself freely. No criticizing and judgment on other ideas. Don't criticize other ideas. So this is ridiculous. So this is impossible. Okay. This is called express your idea freely. Number four, hijacking on other ideas are allowed. Hijacking means when one of the students come up with an idea, probably you can add on or change the idea or modify. Your idea may be spark off and develop other people's idea. Sometimes your idea can help come up. Spark off means stimulate other student ideas. Okay. Number five, Let others know your idea. Display all ideas to others. Show your friend all your ideas, and then they can understand. Okay. So brainstorming can be used to generate a large number of ideas in a short period of time. Okay. Any questions so far? So try to come up as many as possible.
More.
Can be more.
Shall we continue answering?
Can. So then we go to convergent thinking for idea generation. Check whether you have used up all the idea, all the data. I mean, finish all the data.
Definitely.
So you must give justification why
Justification.
why you have used up.
The only
Because
data available is number of orange.
yeah, one only.
Yeah.
The only one
They
data.
only give you one data, 200 orange. So this is why you have to use your critical thinking. And then second, check whether have used up all the condition. Condition? What's the condition?
These are all the
Before
conditions before shipping
Before shipping. So can be
and reduce the number of containers.
and listed the problem and make it simple. After that, make the problem as simple as possible. So what's the? So any other question?
Restate the problem and make it simple. 200 oranges back and density as possible by reducing the number of containers.
Sometimes probably the question very wrong and then or the problem very wrong, complicated, and then you just simplify. So you want to find what is the purpose of this problem. Focus on this problem.
Focus
To make it, to find the main purpose of this problem.
Reduce the number of containers.
Reduce the number of containers.
I got 4 more questions. Mine is just to make people carry easy.
Oh, I suddenly come up with another idea. It doesn't state that the oranges must be in the brown shade or what. Maybe we can squeeze the oranges. Become a then just let the oranges there, squeezes oranges, then it will become, the volume will become smaller compared to the orange, right? So we can pack it more densely and squeeze it, right? It doesn't say that the oranges must be as fresh or perfect shape, right? Right, correct. Right? Maybe you say
juice.
Vacuum squeeze can reduce the impact. You can squeeze the orange, but you just squeeze the leftover space in between, but not much of squeezing the orange.
But as long as you don't spoil the orange.
Not spoil.
Don't spoil.
Squeeze.
you can squeeze it down. So you can pack as densely as possible.
When you set the problem,
Reduce the number of containers to carry 200 oranges.
Make it simple.
to fit in or
Okay.
Okay. So after that we go to the next page. This is idea generation form. Before that I give you I will inform what's the strategy used. Okay. Like just now I mentioned, make an organized list of table. The purpose of table is you can see or list you can see very clearly. Second, draw a picture or graph or diagram to help you understand. Okay. Some students have drawn some picture, copy the shape of the container, and then sometimes you have to solve an equation or formula. Use a formula, theorem, or rule. Use symmetric. Sometimes you can see I did symmetric now. Use a model. Consider special cases. Draw an existing line. So to consider special case, like just now mentioned, you can use vacuum. Eliminate possibility. Limit other possibility. Mean reduce other possibility. Try and error. Guess and check. Inspection. Work backward. Solve a simple problem. Use computer. Or sometimes you may use a computer or your handphone, Google search. Add up means perform it. Substitute and combine. Eliminate and combine. Making assumption. Okay, look for pattern. Okay, you can take a look at this one later. You can use it for your guideline as a guideline. After that, go to the scalpers. This is the method used by Osborne in creative thinking. Substitute. This calls try and error. Try and error. Combine. SCAMM and PERR. So S for substitute, C for combine. Substitute means try something else to see it works. Use other approach to solve the problem. Guess and check. Use the idea in a different place. Substitute one part for another. Example, try and error. You substitute and then see whether it works or not. Combine other ideas or part of it to create something new. Merge it with other idea. Example, combine the existing equation with another equation. Sometimes you can combine. Probably this container, not just with the cylinder, probably in other shape. Probably one part cylinder, one part is a square. Okay. So it's called combine. And then think about what's already know about the problem and how others solving it. Copy idea from others. What other ideas does it suggest? Consider other special cases. Use something similar to it, but in a different content. Okay? Use the thing, but in different content. Incorporate ideas in the other field of study. So modify and use in this problem. Like last example, you use the parking lot, right? You copy other idea from other. Use a cyborg or something like that. Draw a picture or table to know more about the problem. M. Modify. Modify, solve the problem to in geometric example, change the form of the equation. Probably modify a little bit of the problem. Okay? You don't need to use all of them, but just modify. Magnify, make it larger. Add something to it, multiply extra feature or value to it. Example, solve a complicated problem. Instead of solving simple one, you solve complicated one and then compare. Minify, make smaller, subtract something out of it, or make something, reduce it or simplify it, split it. So we call minify. Another way, reverse thinking, or make something. Okay. Okay. After that, we go to next one. Example, solve a simple problem. Put to other use. Use other use to solve the problem if it's modified. Example, use a formula or use a method. Put to other use. Limit possibility. Take away part of the question. Rearrange, look for pattern, use symmetric, use a list, organize it in a new list. Use a tree diagram or picture. Rearrange means rearrange in order. Okay? Reverse, work backward, interchange component. Example, change positive to negative value. So any question? This one you can use it for your reference in the future. After that, you just fill in the form, idea generation form. Idea 1, what's the method used?
Next.
Strategy, others.
Ding ding ding.
Yeah. You understand that? Like the first idea you talk about, what kind of method you use, what kind of strategy,
Method.
method, what kind of method.
Just draw.
Drawing method.
You can use your name, just define the name. But I give you the list, you can refer to the list. What's the strategy you use? Can take a look. Copy like first one I said, I use cylinder container, just the name only. Others mean just add more thing to like make it clearer. Any question? In order to fill up the form.
Net method.
Next method.
The idea is net.
Net. Net container.
The method is net.
Method probably you can say like in terms of the density or in terms of space or the increase the space or want to reduce the space. Method. Why you want to use this method? Reduce the width.
Method or strategy.
Strategy is different. The one I give you the table. Methods like what kind of method?
Flexible.
Flexible. Cause one that make cost flexible. Can stretch.
Can be stretch, can be check. The shape can be
The shape is very.
the shape is very.
So you give it more detail about the thing. More detail. Then you know what's the purpose of using this method compared to others.
Drawing.
Sometimes can be used more than one strategy, one problem, method, one idea. Not necessarily one strategy. Or method you also.
Solve an equation.
Equation.
Sometimes use formula, solve equation.
Look for buttons. How is it? The other is we draw the diagram.
You can say what like other thing mean. Refer to this idea. What's the thing? What the thing? Special thing about this idea? Anything special?
Already mentioned.
Or
Special thing.
this other mean just add anything that you want to.
If not, then it's okay to skip.
Not available.
A.
Put a dash.
Put a dash or an A.
One A.
Idea number 2.
Your idea.
Box. Square box.
Rectangular box.
We need 5 ideas.
Can be
Come up with one idea. Come up with one idea.
can be 3, 4, not necessarily 5. We are forced to do
Oh, okay.
as many as possible. This is just can be more than 5 also. I give you another piece of paper.
So you can shape.
Is there any different strategy we use? Looks like the same.
Probably can use other strategy, but some of the problems is feasible, but some of the container is not feasible. Slender, fixed already, fixed.
use computer.
Computer also. So next time can bring a computer. But most students use a handphone, Google Search,
Yeah.
tablet PC.
Square.
Where to that look? It's a square rectangular.
Square rectangle.
Square rectangle.
If you look from upper
you just
side, it looks like
Square or rectangular.
Oh.
A box, just a box.
360 is a rectangular.
Okay.
Okay. This idea is also considered
Cylindrical.
cylinder.
Yeah, put juice.
You put orange juice.
You vacuum pump in, squeeze, and vacuum suck in.
Can be another method also.
So vacuum.
This one too. Yeah. This is not vacuum, right? This is just put right.
I calculated before, you need to have a lot of cones. Not cones, I mean the
And
cylindrical cone.
okay. It's a very small, so I think it's okay.
Idea. So the method is imagination.
Stack,
Stack.
Stacking.
stacking.
STSC.
K-I-N-G.
Strategy use.
Act it out.
Idea. Yeah, correct.
You learn very fast.
Make assumption.
Trial and then guess and check. Hey, this is strategy.
Method used just now I said sculptors you can use refer to this one also. Like first method, substitute, combine, adapt, modify, make larger or minify. SCAMPRX. No need just add, you just no need liquid, you just add more. You can add more.
Okay.
So what's the first idea? What kind of method use? And then method mean substitute, combine, adapt, modify or minify. Put to other element or length or leave adverse.
Sorry?
So what can you refer to this paper? Scalpel.
I think this idea is adapt. Do something.
Can be the same also. Method can be the same. Just probably you say what's the difference from other. Add more. Modify.
Good. We arrange. Mine is rearrange. New ideas.
Not the same.
No, there's very different. Mine is very big circle, circular box.
Okay.